What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's YouTube video we got Bosqueville versus Rappaport, and today's going to be a POV photography video. Now let me just start off by saying that this game was a pretty intense game all around, and I'm pretty sure I think that I got some great pictures, probably some of the best pictures I've probably ever taken. Let me just say as well, while recording this POV video, I only got the first half of the game, and the second half of the game is probably where I got some of my most favorite pictures of this game. And of course the footage wasn't recording, the footage got corrupted, so there's no second half footage at all. But before the end of the video, I'll show some of my favorite shots that I got that second half of the game that I like. And before we get into the video, I've been seeing a lot of comments in my comment section asking about if I'm going to make a video on how I edit my pictures. Let me just say, I'm going to be working on that. That is coming. I don't know when it's coming, but I am going to work on that, and I'll get a video out showing you how I edit my pictures and everything like that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the YouTube video.
At forward, number 11, Walter At forward, number 13, Paige Dyer. Number 12, Fisher Ladd.
Oh my gosh! Get that out of here! Oh yeah, let's go. Good rebound, Fisher. We good? There we go. Oh my God! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Good rebound, Tex. Good pass out. Let's go.
Alright guys, that was the end of the YouTube video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below in the comment section which was your favorite shot all game. I just want to thank everyone in the comment section saying that I've gotten so much better at editing pictures, because honestly, looking back at how I used to edit pictures versus now, I myself see that I have gotten better. I used to go for this like very overexposed style that I am beginning to hate now looking back at it. That's the end of the YouTube video. Make sure you go follow my TikTok account, follow my Instagram. All of those will be linked down in the description as well. And I thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.